Welcome to Easy School Lunch Ideas Part 2. Today we're packing a colorful, delicious meal your children will absolutely love. First, I am serving this fluffy, well-seasoned fried rice loaded with sweet shrimp. It's very fast to put together on school mornings. To accompany the rice, I am adding homemade meat pie. The crust is so rich and flaky. I usually make lots, freeze and bake anytime to save time. If you want the full detailed recipes for fried rice and my meat pie pastry, they are already waiting for you in my channel. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Okay? So we balance it out with carrot sticks, apples, and sweet grapes, perfect for them to enjoy during recess. If you are a mother looking for practical everyday meal ideas for your kids or for the family, please subscribe to this playlist. And that's it. Everything is ready. See you in my part 3. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Until we meet again, have a great day.